Hey everybody, this is Jared from Kool, and I will be unboxing and reviewing the Amazon Basic stick screwdriver. It has a 10-piece set with USB cable. It was formerly known as the Nally. I've had quite a few of these before, so I've been very experienced with it. So I want to just get to the video, start unboxing, and go from there. So right here, this is the Amazon Basics box. It's just a brown box, not too shabby. They have it to the point of where it's just taped up a little bit for us. It does have what's in the box. We open up like this. And then we have the Amazon Basic screwdriver set. So let's see what's in here. It just has a little bit of packaging going on here. So the screwdriver is just in a plastic sheet. A little bit taped up. So now it says Amazon Basics. It has the USB-C cable, which is longer than the ones I used to get. And then it does have these right here. So these are pretty nice. I don't really use too many of those. I actually do use this for my job. I am a technician. And here goes the remotes. So they're pretty decent. So let's get the review done on this real quick. So with the review, the reason I do like this so much, it is 4 volts. You do plug it in right here. The only difference is literally how they labeled everything. So it's the same identical screwdriver. This is Amazon Basic, made by SKIL. And I've used them multiple times where it comes to these. I got these pretty beat up, but they've been a great screwdriver where it comes to torque down, torque settings. It does have a nice torque setting to it. You can change that right here. So right here is where you can go through and change it to how much torque you truly want to have when you're doing it. So it does have some nice torque. I use it for a lot of things. I have not broke it by twisting it either. So that's one nice thing about this thing right here. And the other thing I really like about it is the lights. So I go in compact areas and I need lights there. So this does help me where it comes to getting things done without so much light. And then on the back of it, you do have the charging port. The charging port is USB-C, which is pretty nice. Once again, they gave you a longer cable from the other ones. But it plugs in right here. You charge it up. But yeah, you guys, I've tried so many different screwdrivers before. This has been the best. It has the lights. It's actually pretty comfortable in the hand. You got forward or you got backwards. You have the extra torque or not so much torque. But yeah, this thing is awesome. So I would really pick this up if you go to Amazon Basic Screwdriver. This will be the one that comes up. But yeah, definitely worth the money. It's made by SKIL. Great screwdriver. I had it for about last year and a half for my other two. So pick one up. They're $24.99 right now. And I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Peace out.